Nandash. Nandash. So what is
Very happy that today Imagine Kenya Trust has decided to recognize the schools in the slums, which are very highly populated, by donating to them items that will help them to keep their hands clean so that we do not spread the COVID-19 virus. These are schools that are right in the slums, and they are highly populated, very many children. If the disease were to start from there, it would spread very fast to the communities and to the Republic of Kenya. So when they come in, they have really assisted in curbing the disease, because we have very, very many children and very many families that are represented by these schools.
Our role and our sole responsibility is just to bridge the gap, to narrow the gap, to try and flatten the curve, so that our schools can learn in a conducive environment, and especially within these timelines, we are